If you are facing connecting to peer or slow download or any type of issue using your uTorrent, then follow this simple step. First of all, I will stop my download from downloading, and then I will go to firewall setting, and then I will allow my uTorrent for downloading. As you can see here, I will add. If it is available, then just allow and then apply and then OK. This is step number 1. Now next we will go to step number 2. Go to preferences, and then from here you will see we are starting from connection. This is very important area, so you will change it accordingly. First of all, you have to enable all these two checks, and then you will go to this random port and change it. Sometime it is blocking from your network, so you will allow it. Next step number 3 is bandwidth setting. So you will go to bandwidth setting and change this value accordingly. The maximum upload rate you have to keep lower, as you can keep up to 5 kbps or maybe up to 50 kbps between them. And next you will change this global maximum number of connection. You must have to upload speed will be lower, but download speed will be unlimited. Next you will change the maximum number of connected peer. It is globally working. Next you have number of slot, which is 4. So this setting is also completed. Now I will apply and then go to next step, which is BitTorrent setting. So you will change this value accordingly. Outgoing will be 4, and also enable all these checks, as you can see. Next is which is 5th step, is transfer cap. So you will check if there is any transfer cap, so you will uncheck it because it will be limited your download. So like this, so you have uncheck and then apply and then OK. Next is queuing setting, so you will change it accordingly. First of all, I will change it up to 450, and then next number of active download it is 30, so I will change it up to 458 maximum. Okay, next is the seeding. So you will see this one is up to 12, and then maximum sending time is equal to unlimited. And now we will go to the next setting. The next setting, which is very important, is scheduler. If you enable the scheduler, so make it, otherwise leave it. Next, playback is normal, and then pair devices, it is connected devices, no need. Next, here we will go to advanced setting, and from here you will change this value accordingly or simple reset it. I will search here, as you can see, BT ratio. So this will be 128, or you have to reset up to the normal value. So I have changed it. Next is equal to, what I will do is, so next I will close one time, and then I will take all this tracker which is updated. You will find this tracker list in my description. So I will remove the extra spaces, and then I will copy all this tracker. Okay, what next you will do, you will just double click and then you will close this one and add this tracker. And now you will see I have started the downloading, and you see it is getting the maximum speed. It is depending on your internet, so it will be updating time to time, and it will be increased.